Ready to transform your Wix website into a visual masterpiece with a stunning, customizable gallery that truly showcases your work? Let's dive right into adding the powerful Wix Pro Gallery to your site. First, open your Wix editor on the left-hand side. You'll see the Add Elements panel. Click on that. Then go to Gallery and choose the Pro Gallery option. Simply drag and drop the Pro Gallery onto your desired page. It's that easy to get started. Now, let's customize. Click on the gallery itself to bring up the settings and design options. Under Settings, you'll find Manage Media. This is where you'll add your own stunning images and videos. Click Add Media to upload from your computer or select existing media from your Wix Media Manager. You can upload individual files or even entire folders for videos. You can link from YouTube or Vimeo as well. Once uploaded, you can reorder them by simply dragging and dropping. Next, let's explore the layout options. Wix Pro Gallery offers incredible flexibility. Choose from a variety of layouts to best suit your content, whether you prefer a neat grid, a dynamic masonry style, a classic slideshow, or a thumbnail overview. There's a perfect fit for every aesthetic. Now for the fun part, design. Under the Design tab, you have full control. Fine-tune the spacing between your media, add elegant borders, and select captivating hover effects to make your gallery truly pop. For your videos, you can even control playback options like autoplay and sound. Don't forget to check your Lightbox settings under the main settings. This determines how your media is displayed when clicked. You can choose from various Lightbox styles and enable features like social sharing to let your audience spread the word about your amazing work. And there you have it. Your visually engaging Wix Pro Gallery is now live, captivating your visitors and beautifully showcasing your images and videos with customizable layouts and interactive elements.